and now,
Yeah, it's okay.
okay?
Please. Super.
Well, thanks. Uh, our comment from Ukraine. Uh, our university, it's a new university, Ukraine State University of Science and Technology. It's 2022, the full university on our town. Our town is Dnipro, united to this university. Our department, electronic computer machines, was foundation in 1965, and many years we realize our scientists' research. And we realize study our students with Cyberbezpeka and computer engineer. And we realize our research in Cyberbezpeka areas too. Our report methods for adjust artifactual neural network, hypermetrics for network intrusion detection system. It will be a set of parts. You look the parts in my content. At first, I need to say that one of the most important problems on information security, large number of attacks in a computer network. And one of the popular methods of detected attack, the signature method, static and not realize a new type of attacks. And not only we, but many years ago, 20 years ago, the new methods of artifact neuron network have begun realize for detection this attack on the computer system. And papers of this study, the new method. There are many machine learning approaches that allow solving the problem in intrusion detection. Lineage regression, decision tree, neighbor base, and other. There are a number of new novel artificial neural network technologies. We realize the analysis of this method. And we realize the method of on the neural network. And as now, any neural network performance heavily depends of choosing hyperparameters. Hyperparameters define its structure of neural network. Structure include numbers of hidden layers, number of units in each layers, and other. In many cases, the low performance is caused by the suboptimal configuration in the neural system. And our overview of scientific literature has revealed that the task of automatic hyperparameter optimization required a further solution. In particular, it's necessary to reduce the time complexity of the hyperparameter optimization of low-effective using tasks that involve large data set with big hyperparameter space, such as the task of network intrusion detection. Then papers of the study developed of technique used for tuning the hyperparameter of network intrusion detection system based of artificial neural network. Two following tasks were set to develop a fast and effective algorithm for switching in the hyperparameter space in neural network based on a mesh switch, which also involves selected specific neural network hyperparameter for optimization at the respective lows values. And prepare and conduct experiment to optimize neural network hyperparameters in the field of network intrusion detection system. In our research, we will use set definition as accuracy in the relative number of correct classification of this formula. This use such parameters FTP, true or positive, FP, false positive, true or negative, false negative, that in this parameter we can have accuracy of our method. At the second, we will use detection rate, number of false positives, and other definition. At first, about hyperparameter. Hyperparameter is a vector. Each to the next slide, I will look each of hyperparameter in our research, and each hyperparameter has a set of possible value, and we will optimization these hyperparameters. For experiment, we choose the simple neural network model. Multi-layer perceptron. This real, the very simple network, but we begin our experiment for try to use our method of the simple on the simple neural network. In this in this neural net and other neural network present such hyperparameter. First of all is the structure. The structure is a set of hidden layer and number of neurons in each layer. The input number input neuron and output neuron relies on each task. And in our task, we will look how many neurons will be in input layer and output layer. Activate function of each neuron in many neural network, and in our network we will look such activation function as lines, LU, sigmas, tangents, and other. The very important hyperparameter is network training algorithm. We will use and choose set of algorithm at the stochastic gradient descent. It's the most popular algorithm, but it may be the next algorithm as ADA-GRAD, ADA-DENTLA, and such algorithm that use to optimization parameters of this gradient algorithms, for example, and any other algorithm. It may be embedded to network algorithm, and it say about RMS probe Adam, and is present next Adam variance algorithm. It may be algorithm not embedded in neural system, but algorithm without neural system. It will be packet size of each training step, and will be such hyperparameter that we will optimization as learning speed coefficient. All this parameter we will optimization. In this table we use chosen periods of its parameters, choose sets of parameters that we use in our research, and from each parameter we will take the optimization sets of hyperparameters. Now about proposed hyperparameter optimization algorithm. this algorithm on the picture, and this algorithm where we develop this algorithm, we propose that hyperparameters don't affect each other. The surface of the multi-dimension hyperparameters reads is context. And we propose such algorithm of 5 step. In each step, we optimization one of hyperparameter. Then the next step, we optimization the next hyperparameter, and such 5 step. And this is overuse this algorithm. As a starter model, we choose a multi-layer perceptron. The input and output layer we will look when we will say about data. We will data. Now 2 layers with 64 elements in each layer. Our polygon. On this slide, we look our polygon in our computer server with 32 gigabytes of RAM, and what data we use in our experiment. We use 3 databases. The first database, KDD-CAP 99 dataset, is maybe the first data set with example of network attack was developed in the Mid-Lincoln laboratory, and in this data set consists of almost 5 million records with a set of attack. It's 5 category of attack and normal data, and each category have a set of attack.
Excuse me, you have spent more than 20 minutes.
Now we see in this presentation started model. Now accuracy 0.79, and after optimization, after 5 steps, 390. It's a matrix that look that we see the accuracy of each class. Experiment with the next data set, NSL, a KDD data set, at the next data set. This sum of millions data. It's our results, started model and optimization result. And first, the ending data set, maybe end data set with example of attack, and it's our result of this in this data set. In this slide, we compare our result with result our research. Then number literature in our work, and its method and its result accuracy. We take only accuracy and now result, and we said that on the first two base our result is very good, but in the second data set our result such that we can work to take the best result. And conclusion is our algorithm of optimization hyperparameter of a network intrusion detection system based on artifaction network is proposed, which can be considered computationally cheaper compared to other optimization algorithms such as mesh enumeration, and the proposed algorithm is focused on the optimization of 5 hyperparameters of neural network. For the experiment, we choose the simple neural network model, multiplayer perceptron, and we conduct the experiment using 3 different network intrusion detection data, and we achieve high accuracy value for the test subset of each data set. There are high result, but we will work next. Thank you for your attention.
Okay, thank you.